Hello, glad to see you on the How to PC channel. Today I'll show you how to download and play Highway Car Crash Simulator on your PC or laptop. Highway Car Crash Simulator is a mobile game, but there's a way how you can play it on your PC. All you need to do is just install an Android emulator, such as LD Player or BlueStacks or MuBu emulator. To install it, just open up a browser and type the name of your emulator and download it. For example, LD Player. Go to the emulator's website and here you can easily download it on your PC. Just run the installer and download it. After that, on your desktop, you'll find the emulator's icon, BlueStacks, LD Player. Now just run it, and this is what you'll see. So it's like an Android device on your computer. Here you can easily install any Android apps from Play Store, for example. Let's open up Play Store. And of course you need to log in or sign up. Now at the top you'll find the search box. Let's type here Highway Car Crash Simulator. Okay, and here it is. So this is the new game. Now let's install it. Just click on the install button. And to be honest, the game waits very little, only 113 megabytes. Okay, Highway Car Crash Simulator is installed. Now let's try to open it up to be sure that the game works correctly. Click on the play button. And yeah, this is how the game looks like, so I can start playing it. Let's click on Drive now. And finally, I can play this game. You can customize the control of the emulator by adding a joystick or buttons to play comfortably. So how to do it? Just click on this button at the top right and drag and drop this joystick or buttons right here. You can resize it if you want. So it was a short tutorial about how to play Highway Car Crash Simulator on your PC. Hope my video was helpful for you. Please subscribe and like. Goodbye.